Division by repeated subtraction. Robert is a kite seller. He has 20 colorful kites in his shop. He sold 5 kites on Monday. He is left with 15 kites. On Tuesday, he sold 5 more kites. He is left with 10 kites. On Wednesday, he sold 5 more kites. Now, he's left with 5 kites. And on Thursday, he sold the remaining 5 kites. Finally, he is left with 0 kites. When Robert sold the same number of kites every day, we show this repeated subtraction and it is called division. The symbol of division is divided by. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Let us learn about the terms of division. The number to be divided is called dividend. Here, 20 is the dividend. The number that divides the dividend is called divisor. 5 is the divisor. The answer we get on dividing the number is called quotient. 4 is the quotient. The number that is left over after division is called remainder. 0 is the remainder. Remainder must always be smaller than the divisor. Let us take another example. There are 15 beads. If we put 15 beads equally in 3 necklaces, then each necklace has 5 beads. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. In the above example, what is dividend? Yes, 15 is the dividend. What is the divisor? 3 is the divisor. What is the answer in the above division and what is it called? 5. It is called a quotient. What do we call 0? 0 is the remainder. Let us recall. The number to be divided is called dividend. The number that divides the dividend is called divisor. The answer of division is called quotient. The number left over after division is called remainder.